use the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b of x plus ab to obtain the following products. So we need to find these products using this identity. Let's understand when this identity can be used. Now what do we see here? This is the LHS of the identity. This is the left hand side of the identity. What do we see there? We see a product of two binomials. We see a product of two binomials. This is a binomial. This is also a binomial. Now, how do the binomials look like? The first term in both the binomials are the same. See here, x, x. This indicates that the first term in both the binomials are the same. What about their second terms? They are different. A, B. They are different. The first term in both the binomials are x here, and the second term in both the binomials are different. A, B. So when we have to find the product of a binomial which is of the form x plus a into x plus b, then the product will be x square, that is we need to square the first term here, x square plus a plus b of x, a plus b of x plus ab plus a into b, ab meaning a into b, ab meaning a into b, which means when the product of the two binomials look like this, that is their first terms are the same, their second terms are different, then we need to work the product like this. Square the first term plus find the sum of their second terms. Find the sum of their second terms into x, the first term in both the binomials, plus the product of their second terms. So let's read this identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Now let's understand how to use this identity using some products here. Let's see how to find the product of 204 and 207, the product of 204 and 207 using this identity. So 204 into 207 can be expressed as 200 plus 4 into 200 plus 7. 204 is 200 plus 4 multiplied. It's multiplication sign here, so multiplication here. 207 can be written as 200 plus 7. So see here, this is nothing but 204. 204 into 207, which is written as 200 plus 4 into 200 plus 7. So now this clearly looks like x plus a into x plus b. We have expressed this as a product of two binomials. Here, two terms. So we have expressed the given question as a product of two binomials, wherein their first terms are the same, x, and their second terms are different, 4, 7. So by using the identity, so relate this one to the LHS of the identity. X plus a. So what is x? 200. Correct? X plus a. So what is a? A is 4. Into x plus b into 200 plus 7. So this is again x, 200. B is 7. So we need to get the values of x, a and b in order to find the product. We need to get the values of x, a and b in order to find the product. So now clearly we have expressed the given question in the form x plus a into x plus b. Remember, if the question looks like the LHS of the identity, then the answer will look like the RHS of the identity. You need to work the answer using the RHS of the identity. When the given question, when we express the given question in the form x plus a into x plus b, that is when it looks like the LHS of the identity, we need to use the RHS of the identity to work the solution. So let's do that. So now we see that the question is of this form. See here, the question we have expressed it in the form x plus a into x plus b. So how do we work the solution? Use this one, use the RHS. X square, so 200 square. Take all the signs from the identity. We're just going to use this to work the solution. We're going to use the values of x, a and b. We're going to substitute the values of x, a and b here in the RHS. So x square, 200 square. Plus is from here, plus. A plus b of x, a plus b, 4 plus 7 of 200. 4 plus 7 into 200. Plus ab plus a into b, 4 into 7. That's it. 200 square is 40,000. 2 2s are 4. And when you square it, we'll get double the number of zeros. So 2 zeros here. So we have 4 zeros in the product. And here 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 into 200. Because it is a plus b into x. So 4 plus 7, 11 into 200. So that is 2200. Plus 4 sevens are 28. Now find the sum of these numbers, and that works to 42,228. So 204 into 207, this product is 42,228. You will get the same thing even when you do the regular multiplication. This is how we find the product using the identity.